Let's replace a kitchen faucet. We are replacing this one due to a leaking wand. We are putting a new Delta faucet in with pull-out wand. As always, start by turning off the water supply to the hot and cold. Take a wrench and loosen the supplies. Have a towel or small tub under the supplies to catch the water in them. The wand's hose will be joined in some way or another. This still needs to be depressed in on the tab to allow the joint to be split apart. Then there is a weight on the flex hose. Some move freely and some are secured to the hose like this one. Unscrew and split to remove. Get under the sink and see how the old faucet is attached. Typically now it is as simple as a couple of screws. Some may require a faucet removal tool. If this is the case, check out the links in our description to purchase if you require. Unscrew and remove any securing rings or washers. Remove the faucet and dispose. Now it's time to install the new faucet. Check the manual to confirm the order of all the parts as they are supposed to be set up before dropping into the hole in the countertop. Push the wand's hose back through the faucet to keep it out of your way. Slide the faucet's hardware onto the shaft. This style is first pushed over a threaded pipe and then secured with a bolt. There is a box wrench proved with this and most faucets. If this did not come with yours, you can get to it with the faucet tool in the description or a crescent wrench, channel locks, and so forth depending on its location. Finally, this on gets an extra firm snug up with 2 securing screws. It is normally best to have someone above hold the faucet in place, and keeping an eye on it being square to the sink in your desired location. And there we have it, our new faucet. Please like and subscribe.